Unleash your artistic vision with AI by mastering the art of crafting incredible Midjourney prompts using the power of ChatGPT. This is your definitive guide to leveraging Chat's natural language processing to generate precisely detailed and imaginatively rich prompts for Midjourney. First, identify your core subject or concept. Think about what you want to see. For example, you might want a steampunk cat. Now, let's get descriptive. Use ChatGPT to layer on visual details: the cat's attire, its pose, the elements of the observatory, and the atmospheric conditions. Think about the mood and atmosphere. Specify lighting, color palettes, and even artistic styles to guide Midjourney. Refine your prompt by adding technical specifications like aspect ratio or even elements you don't want to see, known as negative prompts. By iterating with ChatGPT, you transform simple ideas into complex, evocative prompts that unlock incredible artistic possibilities. Start experimenting today and elevate your AI art creation with the power of intelligent prompt engineering. #PromptEngineering #AI collaboration.